Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through a simple way to tackle your Notion mail inbox and reach that legendary state of inbox zero. If you've ever felt a little overwhelmed every time you peek at your overflowing email list, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to manage, organize, and clear out your Notion mail inbox with total confidence. All right, let's dive right into it. First up, go ahead and open your Notion mail. You'll see your emails listed right there, and probably, if you're like most people, a number that's larger than you'd prefer. Now, take a look at the checkboxes next to each email. These are your best friends for batch management. When you click that checkbox, you're selecting the email, and this gives you a whole set of options you can use to organize things in a way that truly makes sense for you. But before you start clicking away, let's talk about why this step really matters. By getting in the habit of actively selecting and managing your emails, you're saving future you a ton of time sifting through piles of clutter. Think of it like going through your closet and picking out those clothes you never wear. Once you take action, everything else feels lighter and easier. Now, once you've selected an email, or maybe a few, you'll notice there are options to send these selected mails off to specific labels or to add tags. Labels and tags are kind of like folders and sticky notes in the real world. Labels might be things like invoices, newsletters, or to review, while tags can be even more personalized, such as urgent, follow-up, or read later. Using these lets you sort and find emails much faster down the road, especially if you're managing different projects or responsibilities. So, if you spot something you want to keep track of, not just delete, give it a thoughtful label or a tag before moving on. Here's a tip. If you're dealing with a lot of emails at once, Notion Mail lets you select all the emails in your inbox with just one click. This is super handy if you're cleaning house or if you want to archive old emails that don't need immediate attention. You'll find an archive option, which is perfect for stashing away messages you don't want to lose, but don't need to see in your inbox either. Archiving is like tucking papers into a filing cabinet. You can always pull them out later if you really need them. But let's say, for this demo, you look through your inbox and there's nothing critical right now. Maybe it's just promotional emails or notifications you don't care to keep. In that case, you can simply select all the mails and hit the trash icon. Don't worry if this step feels a little drastic. Notion usually keeps deleted mails for a short period. So if you accidentally trash something important, you still have time to recover it. And that's it. Follow these steps and you'll see your inbox drop down to zero, which is such a satisfying feeling. It's like clearing your desk before starting a new project. The mental clarity helps you stay productive and organized. Plus, with everything neatly labeled or archived, you'll be able to manage your mail going forward a whole lot easier. If this video helped you declutter your inbox, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's another Notion tip you want to learn. And of course, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.